If your gas bill is too high, or your customers complain about dryers not working, there's a good chance your laundromat has a problem you can't even see. Not enough makeup air. Your gas dryers need more than just gas to run efficiently. They need air. Without proper makeup air, dryers struggle to heat properly, costing you money and frustrating your customers. Let's break it down. Gas dryers don't just need fuel, they need oxygen to burn it. Every time a dryer runs, it pulls in fresh air, mixes it with gas, ignites the flame, and pushes out exhaust. If there's not enough air, the flame can't burn efficiently, heat output drops, and drying times increase. Weaker flames mean lower heat and longer dry times, leading to higher gas bills and frustrated customers. And it's not just about dryer efficiency. Bad ventilation messes with your entire store. When dryers don't get enough makeup air, they start pulling air from anywhere they can, even from the tiny spaces between machines. That means you're losing cooled air from your HVAC system, and depending on how bad it is, you may start hearing a whistling sound throughout the store. Ignore this problem, and it only gets worse. Longer dry times, rising utility bills, and frustrated customers who might go elsewhere. The good news, it's completely fixable. Now that you know why makeup air matters, the next step is figuring out how much you actually need. Stay tuned for our next video where we break it down and show you how to get it right.